Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to our channel and I'm your favorite boy Joshua C. So as you've seen the intro clips, you probably guessed it, I'm going to unbox the Xiaomi's latest flagship, the Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro. So let's get into it. The Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro is not only marking the company's 10 years anniversary but also been given the #1 smartphone camera rating scoring at 124 marks and also the #1 in smartphone audio scoring on the XO mark. So I really got high expectations on this phone. So let's head to the design first. It comes with a frosted glass finish with a matte texture which makes it easier to hold on to the phone, and the best part is it prevents all the fingerprint smudges, which are my favorite part about the design. It has two color variants, the Alpine White and also the one we got here is the Solstice Grey. The Solstice Grey has a distinct shade of blue and combining with the frosted glass finish, it really makes it premium, or you can call it atas. Now turning back to the front, it features a 6.67-inch curved AMOLED 2380 by 1080p Full HD Plus display that offers 90Hz refresh rate and up to 800 nits of maximum brightness. With the 90Hz refresh rate, it really makes the whole video playback smoother and the color of the screen is vibrant and nice to watch as well. And with the punch hole selfie camera situated on the corner of the screen, it didn't really bother me much while watching videos on this phone. Speaking about watching movies on this phone, the high-res certified dual stereo speakers on the Mi 10 Pro really brings the enjoyment to a whole new level. Ranking as #1 on the XO mark is not a joke. It has a great dynamic range and a nice bass on the audio quality. Listen to it for yourself. Unfortunately, the Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro has ditched the 3.5mm audio jack with the favorable Type-C socket, so there will be a Type-C adapter for you to plug onto your headphones, or you can connect to your wireless earbuds as well. Unlocking this phone is super easy and fast with the in-display fingerprint scanner, or you can use the face recognition as well. Powering up this device is a huge 4500mAh battery that comes with a laptop-grade 65W of fast charging adapter. Although the Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro can only support up to a maximum of 50W fast charging, using this adapter is not an issue, and it can charge up from 0 to 70% in just 30 minutes. Furthermore, it also supports up to 30W of wireless Qi charging. Now let's look into the highlight of this phone. The Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro comes with a flagship quad camera setup comprising the 108MP main camera, 12MP 50mm so-called beauty camera portrait lens, and 8MP telephoto camera that has 10x hybrid zoom with OIS, and a 20MP ultra-wide angle lens on the rear. The picture quality has great dynamic range and color contrast, especially on the main 108MP camera. You can really zoom into the picture and still see the fine details clearly. The telephoto lens did an impressive job as well. Other than using it for portrait shot, you can even digitally zoom up to 50 times. But that's not just it, because it can capture up to 8K resolution videos with 30 frames per second, and if you're looking for more stable footage, you can turn the Super Steady mode to get a super stable moving shot with 1080p videos. However, the 20MP front camera took decent selfies with some detail loss. Now, this phone runs on the MIUI 11 based on Android 10, equipped with the Snapdragon 865 5G chipset coupled with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. With the Snapdragon 865 5G chipset, it supports full 5G network and gaming performance is not disappointing at all. It resulted in very smooth gameplay even after a long session, as well as running all the daily tasks. But unfortunately, this phone only supports single nano SIM. So with the price of 3,899 ringgit, personally I feel Xiaomi has brought its flagship to the next level. But I really think it would be better if it has a 120Hz refresh rate and also adding in the IP68 water and dust resistant feature that found on other flagship devices. So that's all for today. Let me know what's your thought on the Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro in the comments below, and remember to click like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to catch our latest gadget reviews. I'm Joshua C. See you next time. Ciao!